Good morning, class. What a beautiful day we have here today. The sun is up and the birds are singing, and we remember that every day is a chance to learn. We're going to start today off with a short video that I've brought in for you today to introduce the topic, so please sit back and enjoy.
Good morning, good afternoon, good night. Good morning, good afternoon, good night. Good morning, good afternoon, good night. Did you notice the pattern? Well, I'm Dr. Jeff, and today on 3 to Wonder, we'll explore patterns in the sky. Here we go. Today, we'll learn that the sun rises in one part of the sky and sets in another part. That the moon and stars also rise in one part of the sky and set in another part. These movements are patterns because they repeat each day.
All right, well, I hope you enjoyed that video. So we want to talk about what is a pattern. So a pattern is something that repeats in a way that we can predict it. So it's something that happens over and over again. Now, we can make patterns using shapes and colors that we're familiar with. So are you ready to practice making patterns? Here we go. What do you see here? We've got 2 rows. We've got row 1. We've got a red triangle, a green star, red triangle, green star, red triangle. What do you think comes next in row 1? If you said green star, you are correct. So let's go to line 2 and let's think about this one a little more because this one's a little bit tricky. So we've got a purple house, a pink heart, and a yellow moon. A purple house, a pink heart, and what comes next? A yellow moon. Correct, that's great. We can also see patterns in the sky, just like you saw in the video. The sun rises in one part of the sky, it goes across and it sets in the other part of the sky. So we have the pattern of day and night. We know that each morning the sun's going to come up and each night the sun is going to go down or set. So let's compare these 2 ideas of day and night. And we're going to do this with a quick read aloud. So please pay attention.
Daytime and Nighttime by Chris F. The sky is blue, a camper is fishing, the train is chug-chugging. Shh! The owl is sleeping now. It's daytime in the mountains. Stars are twinkling, a campfire crackles. The train is heading home. Hoo! Hoo! The owl is wide awake. It's nighttime in the mountains. The sun is up. It's warm outside. The farmer is so busy. A rooster crows, cock-a-doodle-doo. Cows low, moo, moo, moo. It's daytime in the country. The sky is dark and fireflies blink. All the cows are sleeping. The farmer's at home in bed. A noisy cricket singing. It's nighttime in the country. The sun is shining. Shops are open. Sidewalks fill with people. Noisy cars zoom, zoom along. It's daytime in the city. The stars are out and lights are glowing. The alley cat meows. Speedy taxis zip, zip, zip. It's nighttime in the city. The sky is bright and kids are playing. Ducklings are splish splashing. Balls bounce high. The birds tweet tweet. It's daytime in the park. The moon is smiling. All is quiet. The children have gone home. 2 raccoons sniff for a snack. It's nighttime in the park. The sun is high up in the sky. A girl is hop, skip, jumping. Bark, 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 says a dog on a walk. It's daytime on my street. The sky is dark. Sidewalks are empty. A window shadow dances. The streetlight on the corner gleams. It's nighttime on my street. Wake up, it's morning. Time to play. My spaceship soars. Kitty and I fly to the moon. It's daytime in my room. Moonlight streams in through my window. Kitty is purring. We read a book and go to sleep. It's nighttime in my room. The end.
So, as we saw in the book, the sun comes up in the morning, and it comes up everywhere in the city, the country, your neighborhood, and outside your bedroom window. And at night, the sun sets and the moon comes up. And that's the pattern of day and night. These are the patterns we have in our sky. So I would like you to write down 3 things that you learned today, 2 things that you found interesting, and 1 question that you still have so we can talk about it in class. All right, thanks and have a great day.